Today, let's install Gemstone Lighting. Step one is create a room that you want to put all your Gemstone lighting devices in. I'm going to call mine Gemstone Lighting for this example. I'm going to add in the driver. Note, you will add in one driver for every Gemstone controller that you have. As soon as the driver is installed, you can rename it. Then you're going to go to Connections, Network, and you're going to enter the IP address. It should say online. Once that's at this point, the driver is now functioning. You can turn the lights on, you can turn them off, you can change colors. And that is now complete. It will function like a standard light in Control4. If you want to add in advanced lighting presets, you can also go here, go to advanced lighting. And I already have 3 lighting scenes, one called 4th of July, one's called Christmas, and one called St. Patrick's Day. And so if I want to trigger the 4th of July preset, I will click on this. I will add the light to it. We are going to remove the action. Then, under Programming, go to Advanced Lighting, and you're going to select the first scene, select your light, select your pattern, Lastly, you'll go here to Navigator and make sure the light is enabled and make sure the lighting scenes that you need are scenes in the project. Refresh Navigators, and now you're done.